In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer a Fortnite account from Xbox to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily manage your Fortnite account so your progress from Xbox is also transferred over to the PlayStation 5. So if you have both of these consoles and you alternate between them, you won't have to lose your progress and create a new account. To do this, go over to the official Fortnite website at fortnite.com. In this page, sign in with the account that you use on Xbox, and once you are signed in, click on your name and go to Account. Inside of Account, you will have to go to Apps and Accounts at the left. Now, under the Accounts menu, you will be able to manage all of the connections that you established. And if you play on Xbox with this account, it should already be linked. Now, all that you have to do is link a PlayStation Network account. So you can go over here and click on Connect. Now, of course, I already have a connection established, so I won't be able to demonstrate this process in full. But when you click Connect underneath the PlayStation Network, you will be redirected into the PlayStation website where you can sign in with the account that you want to use. I'm going to demonstrate this with Lego. So you click on Connect, you will be asked to confirm your email address, and once you confirm that this is the email address that you will be using, you will be redirected to the PlayStation website. Then sign in with your credentials and you are good to go. You can remove the account later, but as you can see, there are a lot of details and instructions that you must follow, and you won't be able to link an account right away, so there might be a cooldown of some days. Keep that in mind, but actually linking it is incredibly simple. And once this is done, the account will now have shared progress between both consoles. So now if you go into your PlayStation 5, it will be as if you were playing with the same account from the Xbox. All of the progress will be there. You will see all of your items in the locker from the shop and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer a Fortnite account from Xbox to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.